Today we will be testing the market structure MA based BOS indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the market structure MA based BOS indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 836 indicators, with 341 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 44 of the winning indicators. 13 of them have been able to maintain their winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the market structure MA based BOS, and you can see it here on screen. The setup on this is relatively easy. So as the name implies, it is creating market structure with a moving average, and you can see that it's giving these BOS signals right here, or these BOS tags, and it's kind of hard to see, but there are these lines with it there. Let's see if I can bump up. Let's see, that's the plot. I don't think I can. Let's see. Nope, that's the MA itself. I was just trying to see if I could bump up these little lines there. TradingView is pretty notorious of not being able to increase the size of these little arrows and such. You'd think they'd be able to nonetheless. Okay, so the indicator is a moving average, but it is creating these market structure areas, and that's what these little lines here, the BOS little symbols, are. Is going to be kind of a market structure type area. And so what we are looking for is when one of these little symbols or the BOS tags appear. And so let me see. Well, I'll just explain it. So basically what we have is as price action is moving along, by looking at it like this, it appears as though we get the line and the BOS tag, so basically kind of the structure line, and you would then look for a break to the downside. But these tags don't actually appear until the break has already taken place. And so that's what we're actually looking for. Like I said, is when those tags appear, it indicates when a break has taken place. So when we get a red BOS, that is going to be a signal to go short. When we get a green BOS, that's going to be a signal to go long. And we'll take a look at what I mean here as we move forward a little bit in the testing. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so you can see that we get our first BOS tag here. It's actually kind of hard to see because it's hidden behind this candle right here. But we get that BOS tag and we get that line right here. Now you can see that the market break or the price break of that market structure has actually already taken place by the time it shows up and gives us the signal. So in this particular case, that's going to be a signal to go short right there. So let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit here. And you can see that we pretty much immediately make a spike to the upside there. And that is going to come up and stop us out. And let's back this up just a little bit here. So we kind of skipped forward pretty fast. Let's go ahead and play it forward. So you can see, again, we get that BOS and the green line there as we break that market structure area right there. And so that's again going to be a long signal right there. Let's go ahead and play it forward. We get an immediate rejection to the downside there, which is going to stop us out on this one as well. We're going to pick up another short right here as we get that red BOS right there. And this time we make a nice move to the downside, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Right, we then pick up another long signal right here. Again, you can see that BOS, that long line right there, and we get that break right here. We get a nice push to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, another long signal right here. Let's go ahead and play it forward. Looks like we get a nice pullback there. Doesn't quite stop us out before it then recovers and makes its way to the upside there, also getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of the channels here. Like I said, most of them are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, doing regular market analysis. Like I said, putting up charts where he's marked out these areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of channels sometimes that he's marked out. All in all, Sasquatch is a great help to the community, often giving great advice and experience-based advice as well. And our admin Jay, he has been working on a few things in the background, but he's still around, giving some really great advice from time to time when he has a moment. Some of our other traders or some of our other members here, like Lion Trader, is often posting charts like this, where he has showing trades that he has taken or areas of interest that he is looking at. He does a really great job of trading and kind of documenting what he's doing and helping everybody out, showing them kind of how he's doing it. Liquidity here, also a great trader, posting regular information, trades that he's looking to take, indicators that he's using, and so on. Our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading, is doing a great job of helping everybody out with some indicators that he has personally developed. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but all of them are really great indicators. And he goes above and beyond, out of his way to really make sure that he is updating these indicators, constantly working on developing them further and tweaking them, changing them, adding new things to them. Really doing a great job. And he also goes out of his way to explain how to use them, often posting videos explaining strategies and such that he has developed around his trading indicators and trading systems. And so it's, all in all, it's just a wonderful environment. Everybody is uplifting, positive, helping everybody out, supporting everybody, and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's get this back here and in focus. Let's see, there and there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria, actually right on the dot, right at that 60%. And so it's a very interesting indicator, to say the least. I like the way that it kind of develops these market structure areas and then looks for the breakout of them, rather than just create the market structure area and then to just kind of leave you on your own, not really explaining what to do with it. And so I also like the way that it is outlining the bullish versus the bearish market structure. And so a lot of the times with market structure, you'll get these areas where it just creates a kind of channel to the upside and lines to the upside and the downside, and not necessarily giving you a structure to one side or another. And so all in all, I think it's just an interesting indicator. And so this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.